Okay, now we're going to work on our roof panel assembly. So we get our parts out first, which is our sheeting, which is our 43S. Then we have our channels, which is our 81A top and bottom. And then we have our side lip flashings, which are our 88Js. We need 2 of those. When you overlap your sheets, just make sure you flush top and bottom. Okay, once we've joined all our sheets together, now it's time to snap on our top and bottom channel. Both the same part number, 81A, making sure your small edge goes to the outside, your larger edge goes to the inside. Okay, once we've got our channels snapped on top and bottom, we now put our 88J, our lip flashings on. Smaller edge goes to the outside. Just line up the pre-punched holes in your lip flashing with the pre-punched holes in your sheeting. And just also making sure that your flashing tucks in underneath the channel. Line your hole up. That's our roof panel assembly completed.